Children, I'm back again with birds. And this time you know what we will know about birds? We will know the parts of the birds. Children, like you have body part, आपके body parts कौन से आपको पता है ना? Eyes, nose, hair, ears. ऐसे ही हमको birds के भी तो body parts जानने हैं ना? So we will know about parts of the birds. Okay, उनके body parts हम लोग जानेंगे आज. Okay, so let us see what all parts of the birds. Let us see. They have eyes, so they have two eyes as you can see here. Then they have a beak, and beak has holes in it, and with the help of the beak they holes in it they breathe. वो उससे ही श्वास लेते हैं, सांस लेते हैं जो उसमें holes होता है. Then it has wings, two wings, and feathers. With the help of wings and feathers, it flies. Right, children? Yes. Then it has two legs and it has claws. So it has two legs and two claws. Two legs and two claws. Okay, so these are the parts of the bird. So let us see again. Two eyes, beak, then a beak has holes to breathe, then it has wings, feathers, two legs, claws. Okay, so these are the parts of the birds, and with the help of the beak only the bird eats. Okay, so now you know this. Now we will see water birds. So children, look here. See, this is water, and who all are standing in the water? Water birds. Now children, which is this bird? This is pink color bird and it looks lovely. कितना सुंदर दिखता है. It has long legs. आधा उसका पानी में है पर उसकी legs बहुत लंबी होती है and it has a very good color. It is flamingo. This is flamingo. Then you can see here kingfisher is also water bird. Look, it has fish in it, in its beak. Now this is swan. Looks good, white color, right? Yes. Now what is this? This is pelican. This is pelican. Look, its beak. ऐसा कैसी है अलग सी नहीं? This is pelican. Then what is this? This is stork. Then you can see here. This is duck. And this is crane. Look how it's standing. This is crane. And this is penguin. Yes, so you have seen the water birds? Yes. Now children, now which birds swim in water? Now which birds swim in water? Swan, ducks, penguins, stork, pelican, crane, and here ostrich swim in water. Okay, so which birds swim in the water? They are swan, ducks, penguins, pelican, stork, crane, and ostrich. Okay, children. Now, children, I will show you birds in their nests. So, children, first of all, children, with birds live on trees and plants. Birds, trees and plants में जो रहते हैं, not all birds, but those birds which live on trees and plants, they build nest. and they lay eggs in the nest. Okay, so I will show. सब बर्ड्स तो ट्री पे नेस्ट नहीं बनाते हैं, कई बार नीचे रहते हैं. ओके, बट जो ट्रीज पे रहते हैं वो उसमें नेस्ट बनाते हैं. सो यू कैन लुक हियर. दिस इज अ नेस्ट ऑन अ ट्री. ओके, and what we see here, oh, this is cuckoo. You know what, children? Cuckoo is the laziest bird. वो बहुत लेजी है. सो विच इज़ द लेजिएस्ट बर्ड? कुकू. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपनी नेस्ट बनाता ही नहीं है, वो दूसरे की नेस्ट में अपने एग्स देता है. ओके, सो बर्ड लिव्स ऑन ट्रीज एंड दे built nest on trees and plants. Okay, so this is a nest and you can see the eggs in it. So I will show you other nests also. So look here, children. You can see, wow, this looks good. See, this is the nest of a weaver bird. And you can see it is so tall. And ये weaver bird है. Okay. Now this is a nest of a tailor bird. और ये मैंने प्लांट में देखा भी है. प्लांट्स में मैंने ये टेलर बर्ड का नेस्ट देखा. एंड व्हाट यू सी, ये देखो अंदर से ये टेलर बर्ड है बैठा हुआ. देख रहे हो? यस. एंड हाउ इट्स बिल्ट, ऐसे ये स्ट्रॉज और ऐसे लगा के सिल के, ये दो पत्तों को सिल के बनती है टेलर बर्ड्स नेस्ट. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? वाह, सी दिस नेस्ट. ये बर्ड है. एंड सी दिस बर्ड हैज कम आउट ऑफ द क्रैक्ड. अंडे में से बाहर आ गया है, एग में से बाहर आ गया है ये बर्ड. और ये बर्ड को अभी बाकी है बाहर आना. सो यू कैन सी दिस नेस्ट, वंडरफुल नेस्ट. यस. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, we will see what birds eat. See, some bird eats fruit. You can see this parrot is eating banana. Then some birds eat other animals. This eagle is eating snake. And here you can see birds eating rice with dal. ये rice के साथ दाल है. And some birds eat fish. And children, some birds also eat insects and worms. So you saw, children? Yes. So you liked it, children? Okay, children. Bye.